Hello everybody, let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened on a positive note today and continued to trade with bullish bias throughout the day. As a result, it has crossed its swing high and it is heading towards upper end of the medium term rising channel, which is our short term target, that is around 5750 mark. Momentum indicator being in bullish mode is assisting price in heading higher. On the other hand, upper end of the gap area, that is 5526, will act as a crucial support from short term perspective, and that will act as a reversal level for short term as well. Detailed structure, that is hourly chart, shows that Nifty recently formed a channelized correction, which can be termed as a bullish flag, and from there it broke out on upside and has surpassed 20 hourly and 40 hourly moving averages. These moving averages will now act as crucial supports from immediate perspective. The levels are 5600 and 5575. Hourly momentum indicator has also triggered bullish crossover. So both hourly and daily momentum indicator are in line with the price move on upside. So 5750 remains short term target. We'll now have a look at Bank Nifty. As can be seen from the daily chart, Bank Nifty has broken out from a triangular pattern. In terms of wave structure, it has formed a 5-wave advance, and the fifth leg can continue to extend on upside. Momentum indicator is also in line with the price structure. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are 10,910 and 10,781, and crucial resistances are 11,495 and 12,025. Now we will have a look at a couple of stocks which are looking bullish from short term perspective. First is Tata Power. Tata Power has broken out from a triangular pattern. It has posted a close above upper end of the pattern. Momentum indicator is in bullish mode. So overall, Tata Power is set to head towards around 106 to 110 from short term perspective, with crucial supports at 100.50 and 98. Next stock is BHEL. As can be seen from this chart, BHEL has broken out from a medium term falling trend line, and it has started forming higher tops and higher bottoms on the daily chart. It has crossed 20 daily and 40 daily moving averages. Momentum indicator is also in line with the breakout. So BHEL can continue to move up from short term perspective, with crucial supports near 224 and 217 and crucial resistance near 239 and 250. Thank you.